Slide 1. Title slide. Enhancing Municipal Issue Reporting Through User-Centered Design. Opening. Good morning, everyone. My name is Khalid Shubaili. Today I will be presenting my final project for the Human-Computer Interaction course, the Smart Reporting Assistant. This project focuses on applying the User-Centered Design (UCD) methodology to enhance municipal issue reporting. Let's begin with the project's background and methodology. Slide 2. Abstract and Methodology. The UCD Approach and Key Findings. Script. The core objective of this project was to design a mobile application to bridge the communication gap between residents and city services. We aimed for a solution that is fast, transparent, and user-friendly. Our entire design process was anchored in the user-centered design methodology. Initial user identification led us to find 10 critical usability problems. These problems were solved by implementing design fixes that focused on maximizing efficiency and feedback mechanisms. To understand these issues, we first defined our target users. Slide 3. User personas and scenarios. Sara Al-Harbi, citizen, and Khalid Al-Amadi, supervisor. Our design centered on two main personas. First, Sara Al-Harbi, the citizen. Her primary goal is to report problems quickly and easily. Her biggest frustration was the lack of transparency in tracking her reports. She felt reports were getting lost. Second, we have Khalid Al-Amadi, the municipal supervisor. His main goal is to efficiently manage, assign, and update incoming reports within his sector. His frustration was the inefficient workflow and inaccurate location details. Our design had to successfully meet the distinct needs of both Sara and Khalid within a single system. This focus led us to establish clear usability goals for the system. Slide 4. Usability, Goals, and Objectives. Efficiency. Feedback. Error prevention. Script. We prioritized 5 key usability goals for the system. The most critical ones are: efficiency, ensuring Sara can submit a report in under 30 seconds. Feedback, providing clear visual and haptic confirmation after every action. Error prevention, for example, preventing submission without mandatory information, like a valid location. These goals guided our evaluation process. Next, we conducted a comparative interface evaluation. Slide 5. Interface Evaluation. Amazon versus Haraj. Application of heuristics. Script. To benchmark usability, we compared the Amazon e-commerce application as a good interface and the Haraj application as a poor interface example. This evaluation used Nielsen's 10 heuristics. For Haraj, the main issues were aesthetic and minimalist design, hashite, due to an outdated format, and consistency #4 in input fields across different categories. We used these observations to avoid similar violations in our own design. The formal heuristic analysis revealed the core usability flaws. Slide 6. Heuristic Findings and Problems. Violated heuristics. #hone, #7, #height. Script. The complete heuristic analysis identified 10 critical usability problems in the conceptual design. The most violated heuristics were: visibility of system status. The lack of detailed status updates on submitted reports, which was Sara's main frustration. #7. Flexibility and efficiency of use. The initial design lacked operational tools needed by the supervisor, Khalid. Aesthetic and minimalist design. The early report forms were cluttered. Now, let's look at how our high-fidelity prototype solves these issues through design implementation. Prepare to switch to the Figma prototype screen. Slide 7. Low Fidelity and Hi-Fi Demo. Part 1. Citizen Report Submission Flow. Script. The conceptual sketches established the basic information architecture and confirmed a dual access path for both citizens and supervisors. This was crucial before moving to the high-fidelity design. I will now walk you through the key user flows. Switch to Figma. Prototype screen now. Start on the home screen. Starting on the citizen dashboard, we see key metrics that satisfy #hone visibility of status. To report an issue, Sara clicks Detailed Report. Click. Navigate to Report Submission screen. The submission screen addresses fix hashone by using a visually distinct icon grid for issue type selection, reducing cognitive load. Hash 6. The layout is segmented to ensure aesthetic and minimalist design. Hash site. We also ensure error prevention. Hash 5. By requiring location data before submission. Once submitted, click. We get immediate visual success confirmation. Fulfilling the crucial feedback goal has shown show confirmation screen. Next, let's see how Sarah tracks her report. Slide 8. Hi-Fi Demo Part 2. Citizen Tracking and Supervisor Tools. Navigate to My Reports screen. To solve the core transparency frustration, Sarah goes to My Reports. Here, reports use color-coded status labels, Hey Shown, to give immediate context. Click on a report to show the detailed timeline. Tapping on the report reveals Solution Hash 4, the status timeline. This is explicit, step-by-step progress, finally providing the required transparency. Switch to Supervisor View. Finally, for Khalid, the supervisor, we implemented Solution Hash 3, the dedicated task assignment panel on the map view. This provides powerful filters and delegation tools in a single interface, ensuring the necessary flexibility and efficiency. Hash 7, for his managerial workflow. Moving back to the presentation, I will conclude with a reflection on the process. Switch back to PowerPoint slides. Slide 9. Reflection and Key Learnings. Challenge and Resolution. Script. The most significant learning was that applying the heuristic framework directly led to concrete design decisions. Every element, from the icon grid to the timeline, is justified by a direct fix. The primary challenge was balancing efficiency and flexibility. Hash 7, for two vastly different users, Sarah and Khalid. This was resolved by implementing specialized features, the timeline for Sarah and the task assignment panel for Khalid, within the shared application core. In summary, the project successfully met all its objectives. Slide 10. Conclusion. Project success. Script. In conclusion, this project successfully applied the UCD methodology to enhance the municipal reporting process. By systematically identifying and resolving 10 key usability problems, the resulting prototype directly addresses the needs of both the citizen and the supervisor. The final design achieves our goals of ensuring high efficiency, full visibility of system status, and establishing a clear, reliable, and transparent platform for the community. Thank you. I welcome any questions you may have.